Hey girl, hey. So today I'm going to be reviewing the TGIN Miracle Repair Deep Hydrating Hair Mask. It has black castor oil with biotin, and it says a deep moisturizing conditioner that reduces shedding, repairs damage, and promotes growth. And I am using this one in place of my Shea Moisture Deep Moisturizing Mask because they didn't have it. But we're going to see how this turns out. So it says, oh, it's the same thing. So I can place it, put a plastic cap over my head for 10 to 15 minutes or 35 minutes to 1 hour without the heat. And just rinse. So I'm a deep condition and I'm going to give you a review when I get done. You and me together, picture birth. I spent all my money on time because you're worth it. It's just me and you. Okay, so I just washed my hair and I'm about to go ahead and put in the product. And I'm not doing any heat, so I'm gonna do the 35 minutes to an hour without heat. That's how long I'm gonna keep it on. And I did just find out that Olaplex does have it's a deep hydrating mask. So basically the same thing. So I'm gonna try that when I get it. And I'll let y'all know how that works. You have all this shrinkage. Every time I use a mask, I make sure I add a good amount. So I got all the deep conditioner. I gotta make sure it's in the back. Pretty good. And I'm just gonna take this part of my hair, twist it up like this. I'm gonna take this side, twist it up like this. We're gonna just keep twisting. Now, I'm not gonna put a clip on it or anything because I don't want nothing to pull my hair. It's cute. Okay, I'm gonna put on my shower cap, and by the way, I'm about to buy like a jumbo shower cap because this one is way too small for my head, but we just gonna put it on there anyway. So keep it on there anyway. Okay, I'm gonna let it sit for 30 minutes and then I'll be right back. I will say that I do like it. I do like it. I like the Repairx mask. It definitely did what it said it was supposed to do. My curls was bouncy when I first got out the shower, and my hair was so soft. My hair was soft just like how the Shea Moisture hydrating mask does my hair. But I will say the Shea Moisture is better than this. I would give this like an 8. I would give this a solid 8. It did what it was supposed to be doing. Now, it was my first time using it, so I can't say how much my hair likes it, but, you know, I like it so far. The Shea Moisture one I was talking about, I'm going to include a picture right here. 10 out of 10, that one is definitely my favorite. But I will be trying the Olaplex Deep Hydrating Mask. I think they got a Deep Hydrating Mask or some kind of mask, hair mask next, and then I'll give y'all my official review. But do I recommend this? I do recommend it, especially if it's a backup to your favorite. Like one of those days when your favorite not in stock, this is a go-to. This is a go-to. And it smells like, it don't really have a strong smell to it. It doesn't really have a strong smell to it. It doesn't, but that's how much I used. And yeah. Let me know if y'all want me to review any other hair products from TGIN, and I will do that for you.